Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust date and time settings on a Canon camera. To do this, first we'll need to click on Menu button, navigate to the function settings, then find date and time and the time zone on the bottom, click on it, and here you can switch between a different date, day, year, hour, minute, and the seconds. We can also switch our the stamp mode like that. And on the bottom we can find the daylight saving time that we can enable or disable. Also our time zone. And here you can switch between different time zone options. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.